today is the first time I'm coming across my video, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for more video. Today's video we are going to be cooking pepper soup, okra pepper soup. So here we have already all the ingredients. We have pepper soup ingredients already. We have Maggi, salt, everything is added. Now we have okra blended. I use my machine to blend it. So I did not think of doing the video. I realized it later. I said, since I have never done this before in my channel, I gotta do it. This is why you see that I already mixed all the meat. Okay, now we had to add stockfish inside. I'm going to be boiling the stockfish like 10 to 15 minutes. In here we have okra blended. Now I'm going to be adding water. I'm adding warm water to mix everything together. It's already mixed. I mix it to lighten the okra soup. Now I will be adding the okra soup into the pot. We are not putting oil here inside. The reason why you will see some yellow side is because I on light. So when I on light, the thing just make it yellow. So when I realize it, I off the light. So we are adding spinach inside the okra soup. We had already Maggi before, but I will add another one because I had only one Maggi before. I will be adding another one. I'm just turning it to mix everything. Let them combine it together. Make sure you mix it and let it combine together. Now I will be adding my fish, mackerel fish. I had one mackerel fish. The meat I used was goat meat. I used goat meat to cook this pepper soup, okra pepper soup. This is my first time of trying this, and I really like the way it came out. It came out so delicious. Now I'm adding the Maggi. I said it before. I had one Maggi. When I was boiling the meat, I also had one. So I used 2 Maggi on this okra pepper soup. It's very delicious. Very, very delicious. This is my first time of cooking okra pepper soup, and it came out yummy, guys. I can guarantee you of that. I love the way it came out. As you can see, my okra pepper soup is about to ready. Yeah, my okra pepper soup is ready. Here you see this is the real color, and when I on the light, it came out like this. You see it? So that was the mistake. When I realized it, then I off the light, so it will come again back to the normal color. So I just want you to know why it came like this. It was because I on the light. So now it's coming back to its normal. Yeah, this is the normal one. Okay, thank you guys for joining me today. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you for my next video. Do also follow us on Facebook, Beautiful Shine Blog.